Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakita, and I'm back at it with another video for you guys. So I'm a little further back, not up close and personal with you guys, but I'm here. How you doing? So I decided to actually do a different type of video today. I am gonna do my makeup. I am gonna do a look. It's gonna be a simple look, of course. Actually, my hands are super ashy. So it is gonna be a simple look. I'm thinking like a red lip or something like that. But at the same time, I did want to talk to you guys. This topic has actually been like weighing on me pretty heavy the last couple of days. So change of plans. This will actually be a sped up video on how I got this look. I'll save this conversation for another day. So you guys will see my lips moving, but everything will be sped up. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Dances on the beat. Dances on the beat.